This is a 2005 Toyota Matrix, and I'll show you how to remove the front panel here and also this covering around the gear shifter. First things first, I have here an aftermarket radio. Many of the people change the original radio to aftermarket, so I'm going to be removing the whole panel here, this top and bottom. The top is easy, you just pry it and it will come out. You just pry, and even with your bare hands you can do it, you don't need a tool or anything. So it comes out. Then it has some wiring there in the back that will hold it from getting out. So I don't really need to remove this for what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna leave it hanging like this. But if you want to remove it, you'll need to disconnect the wiring, and you might want to disconnect your battery just to make sure that you don't burn anything. So here I also pulled these side ones. You see, they also are very easy to remove. They're kind of snap in place, but then they're held on top by this. So I removed them beforehand, apologize for that. But once you remove this just snaps out of here with your fingers as well. You don't really need any additional tools. I started prying this also just comes out, it's kind of snaps out of here. And then you can see there are some screws there to remove these side panels if you need to. There they are. I hopefully don't need to do that, but I do want to get access to the cigarette lighter, and to do that I need to remove this panel. So to remove that panel, first we need to move the gear shifter. So let's switch to neutral here. And there's a little secret here. There's a little secret here. These are attached to the panel, but this one comes out. You just pull on it and it comes out. So you're left with one screw that is hiding behind there. There you go. There's one screw, and I removed the shifter to the neutral position just to have some access here to this screw. So once I remove the screw, all of this can just come out. There you go. So just pull on it and it all comes out. What I need is this. I need this because this malfunctioned and I need to replace it. But if you need farther access, if you need to remove this side panel, you can see there's a screw there, another screw there, and the same on this side. One screw, two screw. There are some lights in the back if you need to replace them. And of course the wiring here for this. I'm not sure why this would have the wiring here. This is how you remove the panel and access what's behind. Please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.